Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the complete process to unlock developer mode on your Meta Quest 3, so you can sideload apps and customize your system settings. First, you need to register as a developer. Open a web browser on your computer or phone and navigate to developer.meta.com/horizon. Log in using the exact same Meta account paired to your VR headset. From the developer dashboard, click on Create New Team. Enter any unique organization name you like, accept the terms, and hit Submit. To keep your account verified, ensure you have added a phone number for two-factor authentication or a valid payment method. Next, pick up your mobile phone and launch the Meta Horizon app. Tap the headset icon in the main toolbar to locate your paired Quest 3 and ensure the headset is powered on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network. From there, select Headset Settings and tap on Developer Mode, which is sometimes listed as debug mode. Toggle the active switch to the on position. Finally, put on your Quest 3 headset, restart it completely, and look inside your settings menu under System to find your brand new developer tab. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.